Man, what's up, motherfuckers? Okay, I'm sorry. That was pretty rude. But what is up? We're here and we're vlogging again because that's what we do. We vlog. And I just had some good ass wings right there, and a good drink and some more soda because I'm fat and I do a lot of stuff with food. And yeah. So what I just purchased was a Wii. Okay, hold on, let me put this down. Oh shit, I'm fucking shit up. We got a Wii U. Wait, hold on. The Wii U Pro. Wait, give me a minute. Wii U Mini Pro Elite Wireless Controller from PowerA. And this is pretty much like an off-brand Wii U Pro controller, but I wanted to get this because I didn't really feel like ordering a new one and waiting for a couple days to get it, so I just went out and got this thing for like $20. So yeah, I just want to see how it is and shit, and I thought I should show you guys because this controller, I actually prefer this one, but this controller is it's not even like completely different. This looks like the center of it was shrunk down, and I don't know. It's like a now it's like a Xbox controller instead of the analog sticks both up here. That's gonna fuck me up. All right. Anyways, guys, I'll see you guys later. Like this mudslide here. Zoom on that. Look at that. That looks beautiful. That looks like a.
That looks nasty as fuck on camera. Looks nasty as fuck in real life.
Are you recording me?
Hey, Joe.
Record your phone.
Recording you recording something.
This is an artist at work.
I'm helping you out.
Don't you fucking do it, Chase.
This is an artist at work. It's an artist at work.
I'm really not.
He really isn't. He redeemed himself. Trying to make it as tall as I possibly can.
Dave? Take a photo of Dave?
See your face. This is art. I'm her agent now. Can you stop playing with your food? Throw something at it. Knock it down.
That looks so fucking cool from here. Look at it from this way. I know, like that's already missed. Look how cool.
It looks better at the other side.
Well, fuck you. They talk that down to get and I was like, so.
Are you gonna eat it? It's weird. Oh my god, it's so hot in here. Oh man. Yeah, you should have put it down. It stinks. Ew, I don't like this. It's like.
See, mommy don't like these.
She doesn't?
She's claustrophobic.
Oh. It's like an octopus is on your car or something.
But yeah, these ones are so easy because they're not that much work.
I know.
I don't like the ones where you have to get out and scrub it yourself.
Oh. Yeah, I don't like that the way they move.
Like octopus.
Yeah. Uh-oh. Oh, the colors.
What is this?
I don't know what this is. What is color? colorful and it's beautiful. That's tight. Ooh, it smells. You smell it? Yeah. Oh.
This wasn't that much work. You probably thought I was going to do the wrong one. Where
No,
we get out.
I knew you were going to do this one.
Get the water.
I see the light at the end of the tunnel. This is my favorite part when they dry them off. Oh, this is the wax they spray on yours.
Is that what it says?
I think this is wax. I could be wrong.
Yeah, this looks like wax is pink.
Yeah. Do they smell? I don't know why, but I just got a smell of like dog.
What is this? Mist?
It says free rinse on it. This is my favorite part.
And they blow it?
Oh. Because it's like you can see your car or feel your car shaking. It wasn't even that far off last time.